Hello everyone, welcome back. In this session, we will learn how to solve the practice problem, find sum of last n nodes of a linked list. So first we would understand the question and then we would solve it. Basically in the question we are given two values k is equal to total number of elements in the list n3. That means I need to find the sum of the last three nodes of the linked list. Now, if this is the given linked list, the last three nodes of the given linked list are 3, 4 and 10. Okay. So, I need to add them. So, 3 plus 4 plus 10 and the output is 17. So, my answer and my output is 17. I hope the question is clear to you. Now, let's solve it. What you need to do is, you need to go to the practice portal. In practice portal, in the difficulty section, choose basic. Okay. Then you need to find the problem. Find the sum of last n nodes of the linked list. Once you find the problem, you need to click on solve. Okay. So, let's solve the question. Here is the question. Let's read it. 1 minute. Let me scroll up a little bit. 1 moment. Okay, just give me 1 minute. Okay, here is the question. Let's read it. Given a single linked list of size m, your task is to complete the function sum of last n nodes, which should return the sum of last n nodes of the linked list. I hope the question is clear to you and we need to code it over here. Okay. So, let's code it. 1 minute. Okay. Enter. So, basically stk equal to 0. This is an empty list. Enter. Temp equal to head. Okay. Enter. Then while temp. Okay. While temp is there. Enter. Now, stk dot append. I am adding in it. What am I adding? Temp dot data. Okay, I am adding the values of the linked list. Enter. Now temp equal to temp dot next. I need to keep on moving forward. Okay, enter. Now finally I can just return with what? I need to return with sum. Sum is the built-in function of what? Of stk. In stk I need to add the last three, for example the value of the n, right? So over here it would be minus n, okay, and over here colon, okay. So this is for adding them the value, the remaining, the last nodes, okay. Now I need to check if the solution is correct or not. So I would click on compile and run. Let's wait. Compilation is completed and my output is matching with the expected output. So now I would submit the given problem. 1 minute. Let's wait. Let's see. Problem is solved successfully and this is how you solve the practice problem. Find the sum of last n nodes of the linked list. I hope this video was helpful for you and you guys have enjoyed it. If you guys have enjoyed the video, make sure you click on the like button and thank you for joining me today. Thank you.